Trail Buddy. Trekking poles. Trail Buddy. Trekking poles transform the way your body copes with distance and terrain in a manner that's only fully realized after a day of use. They relieve your knees, enhance your support on rough ground, and grant you additional security when paths are steep or slippery. Their adjustable feature proves their versatility for various heights and settings, and they are also easily packed up when not being used. In the long run, these poles will lower your exhaustion and thus help you to maintain a steady pace instead of getting wiped out early. Once you incorporate trekking poles into your hiking gear, you will find it very exhausting to hike without them. Tactical gloves by Fuiwanda. The human hands are the most critical body part for doing almost everything in the wilderness, and Fuiwanda's tactical gloves act as a barrier to protect them, while at the same time allowing the wearer complete freedom of movement. The gloves grant the user a solid grip while also providing protection from abrasions and warmth, all of which come with the sacrifice of the user's handling skills. The fit is snug but not too tight, which is very important when carrying stuff and working with tools. If you protect your hands, you will avoid minor injuries that can slow down the whole process afterward. Gloves of this type somewhat silently boost your confidence because you no longer have to think twice before you grab or change something. Oxer Compact Binoculars. The awareness of distances leads to a change in the decision-making process, and the Oxer Compact Binoculars provide the necessary clarity without increasing the bulk. They are very light, portable, and can be used very fast in case you need to observe the land, the signs, or the movements that are ahead of you clearer. The lenses are of such a quality that they can give the necessary detail without causing eye fatigue. The factor of being able to observe instead of assuming helps you to select the best routes and timing. Little devices that improve your awareness might become the ones you rely on most. Acifatu Safety Vest. Being visible does not always mean being in danger. Sometimes coordination and clarity take precedence, and the Acifatu Safety Vest has no trouble at all dealing with that. It does not limit either mobility or comfort. Rather, it adds a layer of visibility. It is made of lightweight materials which allow the vest to be worn easily over other clothing, and at the same time, it does not cause sweating. Being visible easily is one of the advantages. It helps the groups to be organized and avoid confusion when the environment is busy or dimly lit. Just making the visibility tool simple helps to eliminate stress as people can be tracked at a glance so easily. NU Rain Poncho. Rain changes the order of things super fast, and the NU Rain Poncho is like a superpower that gives you instant protection and does not hinder your movement at all. It has the quality of being very light, very breathable, and very big to fit both you and your gear under one cover. The fabric has the property of shedding water so effectively, while at the same time it allows airflow to come through to lessen the discomfort. It is not like the cumbersome rain jackets that are difficult to pack and take a lot of time to unwrap when the weather changes. Staying dry maintains the energy levels and also prevents small problems from developing into major distractions. Sirius SOS LED Signal. In situations where visibility is low, signaling through light becomes extremely beneficial, and the Sirius SOS LED signal is there to provide a powerful visual presence when it is most needed. It is small, bright, and can be operated without requiring any intricate installation. The output of the light is such that it can be recognized from far away, thus making it applicable in both open spaces and low-light conditions. The existence of a dependable visual signal provides a supplementary method of communication in addition to voice or gesture. Gadgets like these can reassure a user just by their availability. Gas 1 Dual Fuel Stove. When fuel supply fluctuates, cooking flexibility comes into the picture, and the Gas 1 Dual Fuel Stove proficiency does not make it hard. It serves more than one fuel type don't, and thus give you options instead of restrictions. The stove provides uniform heat, accommodates fast setup, and feels safe during operation. Uninterrupted cooking helps habits stay in place, and the overall energy levels to be determined. Having the luxury of cooking stress-free is a huge morale booster and efficiency enhancer for the extended wilderness days. Blue Diamond Cookware Set. The difference between good and bad cookware turns out to be the Blue Diamond Cookware Set that provides excellent performance with a lightweight. The non-stick coating is of high quality and can be easily cleaned, even under the circumstance of using limited water. The set gives a feeling of being balanced and durable while cooking, which is almost the same as improvised cooking. Less difficulty in preparing meals equals better and faster recovery of people. Food comfort is an underrated survival benefit. GCI Outdoor Folding Table. GCI Outdoor Folding Table is the best way to get organized. Very stable surface wherever needed. It is an instant setup, a weight holding that is reliable and hassle-free, packing down for transport. The efficient ways of cooking, sorting gear, and overall table use improve the presence of a table. It brings order to areas that would otherwise feel very chaotic. Working without a proper outdoor table once you experience it, the difficulty seems to be unnecessary. Tough Bison Bear. Bag kit food. Storage is a critical factor, and more than many people realize the Tough Bison Bear Bag Kit is the one to keep the supplies secure and organized. It is the system that is highly durable and well suspended, which lessens the interference from wildlife. You can easily store food away from your main area without any guesswork. Proper storage not only guards the resources, but also makes the camps cleaner and more peaceful. This kit addresses a concern that most people hardly think of until it becomes one. If this list has provided you with a different outlook on outdoor survival gear, then please hit the like button so that others can find it as well. Additionally, subscribing to get more practical gear breakdowns that highlight actual use would be a great idea. And feel free to drop a comment indicating which of these gadgets you would take on your trip next. Smart preparation is not about extremes. It is about picking the right tools that will quietly help you in the most crucial moments.